near Tenby now. We've popped to see Meadow Castle first before we go to the campsite. Looking lovely. Such a nice day here. There's Gareth, ready to do his drone. It's massive. Oh God, I thought that was a man. I had the fright then. This guy. Ah, look at that. There's the best flag ever. God, it's massive, this castle, yeah. The Great Hall. That's a wrap of the castle. Whew, bloody warm. Me and Gareth are going to find the church door cove. It's beautiful. Look at that. Just a few steps to go down. There it is.
ഒരു ഫോട്ടോ ഓക്കെ സോ മഴ
Cool.
Down to North Beach to get the famous lobster rolls.
Ooh,
Packed full of lobster.
can't wait. So we are now at the campsite. We stayed here last year, it's lovely. Got good showers and everything. This is mine and Gareth's bed for the night. Started to rain a little bit, but it's like really hot. Here we are in Tenby. This is where we're going to eat later.
Yeah.
Good. Having a little bev before we have food. So peaceful here, lovely. Show you now. This is our tuna sashimi, and then what we got?
Tiger prawn
Oh,
sushi.
prawn ramen, extra chili oil for Gareth. Glorious day here in Tenby. We've just got up and about. We're gonna see if we can get on a rib or a boat or something, because it's way too hot to be sitting on that beach. So we have secured the ticket for the rib ride. 12:30. We've got 2 hours now to just walk about. Gareth's found a massive jellyfish down there. I'm not going near it. Stopped in a little cafe to waste time. Banana milkshakes all round. Taste test. Not too bad, but £12.
Bit of fun on this.
Rib ride over. We're now gonna go to South Beach to explore. Try and find a nice cold salad because we are scorching. And a pint of Coke. So we are showered, burnt to a crisp. I've got Gareth's t-shirt on because my shoulders are so burnt and I haven't got anything to cover my shoulders and it's still scorching. So we're going to go down and find some food and then come up and have an early night because we are exhausted. Gareth's wearing that stupid hat because he's really burnt his head. So yeah, good day.
It feels so good just being me. Open eyes and now I see all the beauty in my way. I wake up grateful every day. No disguise, no more fear. Real life finally feels so clear. From my heart I wanna say I wake up grateful every day. No fake smiles, no pretend. Real ones stay until the end. Energy don't ever lie.
We are back at the campsite now. It's very peaceful. I've got my feet up because my ankles have gone massive and they're killing me. That Greek food was too much. There was a lot of food, but it was nice to try a bit of everything. Yeah. And then the walk back up here was terrible. It's just boiling, no air. So we're drinking water, feet up, and gonna have an early night. No stop, help. First of all, breakfast and brownies. Also potatoes as well. Right, so the castle we were going to explore today is closed. We didn't know you had to look online, so we're going to have to go on Facebook and see when it's actually open. Hopefully by tomorrow because we're leaving Tenby tomorrow. But we've come under it. There's this little private little beach under a cave. It's just stunning. So yeah, so we've just spotted another castle up there. So we're going to do that instead.
Found a little cave. Holy shit, it goes out quite deep. I've got a torch that's bright enough. That might work. Oh wow. Kareen, you'll find out, is scared of everything until she experiences it. Hottest day of the year so far, hotter tomorrow. And people insist on bringing babies and dogs to the beach with them. They have no choice, they've got to go and bake in the sun and just pray for shade all day. We're on Castle Hill. There's the castle. And St. Catherine's Castle from here. Market. Got some food to cook up for tonight. Rump steak from the local butchers, Davis Butchers and Deli, and we got the veg from the local market. Too big.
Yeah,
Should we take a
slicey.
yeah.
Look, them ones, sorry.
Oh, I don't know. Going on the dolphin hunting boat. Hopefully see some.
To about 200.
So this was us in Newquay. We thought we'd pop there on the way home. Went on a dolphin boat trip, as you can see. We've seen a couple of dolphins, but they were quite far out. And as the guy on the boat was saying, you can't chase the dolphins. It's against the law there or something. So yeah, this is what we did before heading back to Holyhead. And that's the end of our vlog. Such a good week.